Hey guys, so today's video is sponsored by Brennas hair. They sent me a package with a wig and I'm going to show you what was inside. So they sent me some thank you notes, and then they also sent me like coupons that I can get to use on my next purchase. And then obviously they added some lashes, and you guys know I love the lashes. An elastic band, I'm not sure this is long enough, and then a wig cap as well. And then I'm going to show you the wig. This is the wig. It is a two-tone brown and honey blonde wig. It's curls. This is a 13x1 frontal wig, and it is 20 inches stretch length. So I'm going to put the wig on. This is going to be a very easy install because it is a 13x1. It only has one part. So I didn't actually feel the need to customize it because there's not really a lot of space along the hairline of the frontal, but we're going to finesse it and it's going to look cute. I've tied the hair back so I can work nicely. I'm currently positioning the hair, and then I'm going to cut off the ear tabs as per usual. Please be very careful if you're using these manicure scissors like I am. I have nicked my ears so many times doing this and I don't seem to learn. And once that is done, I am going to cut the lace. I am going to leave a bit of lace on this. I just want to see how it's going to look. If it doesn't work out, then I'm going to cut off the excess lace that I'm leaving on there. I'm doing this because like there's not much to customize on the hairline, and honestly I hate spraying like got2b or whatever directly onto the hairline of a wig. I hate that line of demarcation that it makes. It doesn't look very nice, but that's just me. I'm spraying down the wig. I'm using this Glamour hairspray that I got from Cosmetic Connection. This works very well. I haven't been able to put this down since I got it because it works so well. But also when you take your wig off, it doesn't dry white, so there's not much cleaning up. I can take my wig off and put it on again. Now I'm just melting in that lace with this elastic band. Voila, melted lace, I tell you, sweetie, look at that. Now I'm going to do my makeup. I'm going to be running errands, so I'm going to do a quick makeup look. Not even going to talk you through it. Please enjoy me doing my face very quickly because I was so late. I know this is sped up, but can you guys see how flawless this foundation blends into my skin? Like, just look at it. It literally looks like a second skin. So basically, I am doing my usual face. I just wanted to remind you guys that the reason why my makeup personally looks flawless all the time is because I blend. I will use a brush and then I will use a beauty blender just to make sure my makeup is sitting on my face. Today's look is not going to be too complicated because literally I'm going to be running around the shops, but I wanted to look cute since I've got this new wig installed. And that is it for the makeup. I'm going to let my hair down and then I am going to do my part. Obviously this is a one part, so I'm going to do a middle part, and then I'm going to try and lay it down with a hot comb. Please forgive me, I'm doing this in a hurry because a girl needs to get out this door, okay? And once that is done, I'm going to be taking my Aunt Jackie's curl custard, and I'm going to just put it over the hair. I watched a TikTok and I watched the girl apply this to dry hair and then spray the water, and since I've been doing that, I've been loving my curls even more. So I'm using this, which is only water in a Tresemme bottle, no conditioner, just water, and I'm going to spray that into the hair, then go in with a brush just to plump up the curls but also to remove any tangles that I might have. And once that is done, I'm going to zip through the other side because literally it's applying the curl custard, spraying with water, and then combing through or brushing through with a brush. Add water as you go. Just make sure all the hair is like saturated with the water. It just makes the curls turn out better. Yeah, that is it. This is how the curls look wet. Then I put on some lip gloss because my hair is done. This is what the girl looks like. Love, love, love this color on me, but also how flawless is my face. So, okay my loves, this is it for this wig review. You can see this hair is gorgeous. It is super, super soft, and there is shedding, but it's not really like a big deal. Curly hair does shed, I always tell you that, but it is very beautiful, and I love this two-tone color. Like, it's giving very much Beyonce. Yes darling. I'm really gonna enjoy this hair. Like, I look super cute. I hope you also enjoyed me creating this simple makeup look. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comment section down below. I am going to leave all the details of this wig in the description box, and I just love, love, love it. Like, I can't stop playing with it. This is the perfect summertime wig, you know, like it's saying vacay. Like, I need to go on vacation now just because of this wig. Okay, really, really enjoyed creating this look and installing this wig. So easy, so simple. Thank you so much to Brennas Hair for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one.